Okay, so this is a repair I was wondering how to do for a while, and I should have just looked up there and figured out why my roof liner was sagging. Um, this whole liner right here was pulled down from my roof, and it was a really simple fix. The Velcro had simply come unglued with time, and the Velcro was no longer attached to my roof. So the simple fix, we got some Gorilla super glue from AutoZone, and we reattached the Velcro to my roof liner, and voila, we fixed the sagging roof liner on my 2000 Lincoln Town Car. Now it's no longer hanging down and it looks much better again. I'm going to be doing other simple repairs and simple customizations of the car in the near future. I'm going to show you the car from the outside and show you a couple of things I've recently done. It's snowy in winter this time of year, so the car is a little dirty, but that's just the way it is. So recently I've added window tint from Sound Warehouse. I think the window tint actually looks really good. We also added an auto vent shade, and I'm going to be adding some of the auto vent shades around the window wipers here. You can get chrome for these window pillars. I might be getting some chrome for the window pillars. I've changed up my decals a little bit here. I still want to get something America on the back of the window. We got this Cobra. It looks like the Ford Cobra, but it's got the Lincoln logo. We got it off eBay from MVB Vinyls. The rest of the decals are pretty much all from AutoZone. We got some chrome exhaust tips with blue. Blue's a hot color like metal. Like when metal's really hot, it turns blue, so it's supposed to look like it's hot. It actually looks pretty cool. So we added those to both sides. The car's really dirty on this side because it's winter. But once again, the window tint, which looks really good. Gonna be adding new spark plugs and ignition coils soon, and when I have that completed, I'll show you the engine. Thanks for watching and have a good day.